Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you into my Big Lots to see what they have out for fall 2020 decor. I noticed that they have yet another sage and ivory fall collection. I think they've done this color theme for 3 years in a row now, so it must be a really good seller for them, and I can see why because it's absolutely beautiful. They do have this little white truck, and I really made it a point to show the pricing pretty clearly in today's video, so I hope you guys will appreciate that. So yeah, if you're into the neutral style, this collection is definitely for you. They added these little faux wood pumpkins to a lot of this collection to give it kind of more of a rustic feel, and I really like that addition. And there was really not much that I felt like I needed to have from Big Lots. Actually, there was nothing that I even purchased when I left here, but there are a few really good gems. There's one thing in particular that I am eyeing, so I will definitely let you know what that item is when we get there. So their candles here are $6. I've never really had good luck with Big Lots candles, but let me know if you have. I don't need another fall candle at all though. But this was one of those items that I called a gem. I've never seen anything like this anywhere else. Maybe it's at the other stores, but I just didn't see it. I think it's super unique, although not my style. I just love when I see something unique at a store that not every other store is doing. I feel like those kinds of items are a good find if you like what it looks like. And I almost said Hobby Lobby, which I've been doing that in my videos. You guys, I've been saying the wrong store name. I apologize. This is Big Lots. The whole video is going to be Big Lots. But they have really cheap pillows. They're not like top-notch quality, but they're really good for a couple seasons. And I thought this one was so pretty with that like bright copper threading through it, or it's more like a bronze. It's just so stunning actually. And I feel like you could use that year round. They do have these pumpkin burlap placemats. These are $4, and I thought they were kind of cute. I've never seen this before either, so another unique item for sure. This tray is the item that I am eyeing. I really like this. I love the copper detailing on the side, which I don't think I showed that well in the video, but there is copper around the outside and then the little copper handles, and it's $15. So kind of on the fence on whether or not that's a reasonable price. It's not super big, but I do love copper and wood mixed together, and I feel like that would go really well in my kitchen. I'm pretty sure that Big Lots always puts out a little flying pig with every fall collection that they do. I know they did a couple years back because I remember thinking, like, what does a flying pig have to do with fall? So I'm assuming that they just do that every year. Maybe that's their thing. But there are tons of little tabletop signs. Most of them are like in the $6 price range. Not too bad. But yeah, they have this pumpkin here in the ceramic vase. I was super nervous picking this up because it is pretty heavy, but you can see there that little wooden pumpkin is really kind of cute, and I like how it warms up the neutral colors like the sage and the ivory. Big Lots does these sorts of pillows every single year. I actually have two in the rust color, which is back again this year. You'll see it in a moment. But I like how they added the little berries on this pillow this year for a little touch of extra color. And they're only $12, so they're definitely a good buy. Now this item here they had 2 years ago as well, and I actually loved it, and I ended up DIYing it on my channel, so I'll have that link below because by the time I decided to pull the trigger on it, it was already sold out. And I'm kind of glad I didn't buy it because I know I wouldn't have used that in my decor this year because it wouldn't fit the style that I'm going for. So they have this swag for $20. And just lots of really pretty floral pieces here. They use a lot of dahlias, which I love dahlias, so I really like that. And then I think that Big Lots actually has the best fall, like long planked signs like this. You'll see some more at the end of the video, and so far they're my favorite of any store. And for $24, I think that's probably what they cost at other places when they go on sale. So their more traditional collection doesn't have a lot out yet. I was happy to see that they introduced navy blue into this collection because I think that's a big trend. I personally love it. I'm not necessarily doing it, but I really like it. And I've been seeing little like wood chip pumpkins like this everywhere. This one was unique though. I don't even know what kind of wood they use because it has like this veining through it, if you can see. Just definitely another unique piece, so props to Big Lots for all the little unique items that they have this year. this pumpkin definitely reminds me of a larger version of those little like etched, I don't know if etched is the right word, but pumpkins from Dollar Tree that have that same kind of finish to them. So if you have those, that pumpkin might be a good addition. I love plaid for fall. It just feels so nostalgic and classic, and that plaid was really pretty with the navy blues and the oranges and the yellows, just really traditional. So I really like that. This pillow is the rust version of the one that I showed you on the other side that was green. I have a very similar one to this. I actually have two from 2 years ago, and they probably need replaced, honestly, so maybe I will go get one of these. I'm not 100% sure because I really don't need another pillow, but I would toss the other ones because the dogs have just torn them up at this point. So every year, Big Lots comes out with larger scale light up pieces. This is what they have out at my store so far. So most of these either have fairy lights or light up candles, and they are on the pricier side. I think they are priced maybe a little too high, but again, they are big substantial pieces and definitely a statement piece that you could bring out year after year. So I really love this natural material bowl, especially because you can use it year round. I envision this with pumpkins or maybe apples in it for fall, and you can just leave it out on your countertop in your kitchen all year as a fruit bowl or something like that. So as you're buying your fall decor, or any season for that matter, definitely think about whether or not you could use the item in other seasons. So my Big Lots had just this one little end cap of buffalo check themed items. My favorite thing though was the sign that says "The snuggle is real." I love the font they used for snuggle and the fact that it's orange. It just really pops, and that quote is just so darn cute and one that hasn't been overdone like a lot of the other fall quotes. So they have some fabric buffalo check pumpkins. You can pretty much get those anywhere at this point. I also feel like I've seen a lot of this stuff at other places. Like I think maybe Kirkland's has these little pumpkins. And so as you're shopping for your fall decor, you might check to see if the item that you're interested in is available at any of the craft stores like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's, because those stores will do a large percentage off at some point during the season, where places like Kirkland's and Big Lots, they don't do those big 50% off everything sales typically. So I know that I've seen this fall sign at a bunch of other stores. I'm pretty sure Hobby Lobby has it. It's $20 here at Big Lots. And I've also seen this pack of Buffalo Check vase filler other places too. So again, just do your price comparison so that you get the best deal. How adorable is this Hello Fall sign? It's just so cute. I think that this one and the other one that I'll show you in a minute are just some of the best ones that I've seen out. And this pumpkin spice everything sign is just, I love it. It's so funny because I'm not the biggest pumpkin spice fan. Actually, I've hated it up until recently, and now I'm sort of acquiring a taste for it. So definitely leave a comment down below and let me know, are you team pumpkin spice or not? Because I definitely was not up until recently. Here is the other long plank sign. This one says Hello Pumpkin, and it looks hand painted, which is why I think I love it so much. So definitely check out Big Lots for those large kind of yard signs or porch signs. So this is another collection. I guess there's at least 3 collections, and it's kind of a wheat theme and in muted traditional colors. This piece is actually pretty unique. I've never seen anything like this anywhere. And then they have these massive, massive, massive lanterns. These are so big. I want to say that they're close to 3 feet tall. And the price for how big this is not that bad. A lantern of this size at any home decor store would be probably closer to $70. So if you even just wanted to take the fall stuff out of it and just use it as a lantern in your home, that would be a pretty good deal. So we are winding down, you guys. There's just a little bit left to see. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing what Big Lots has out for fall this year. If you can think of anywhere that I haven't been yet that you would like to see me go and do a shop with me at, let me know in the comments down below. I really want to go to Home Goods and TJ Maxx, but my stores just don't have anything yet, so I am impatiently waiting for them to get their stock in. But if you can think of anywhere else, let me know. So thank you guys for spending a little bit of time with me today, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye now.